I'm gonna leave this second one on a little bit longer because remember I applied this one first, so I'm just gonna give this one a little bit more time to marinate, you know, so we could be vibing. Welcome to my channel, and before we get started into this video, I just want to say thank you for all of those who have already subscribed to my channel. I mean, I've only posted one video, but I already have 23 subscribers, so I just want to say a big shout out to you guys who have already subscribed to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be completely different to the first video that I posted. My first video, if you haven't watched it already, was my Uber Soccer Cruise Recap 2019 Boat 2. But for today's video, it's gonna be a DIY on tinting your eyebrows. As you can see from the title, I previously recorded threading my eyebrows for you guys, but the audio was so low, the quality of it was so bad that I decided not to post it. I can put a little like mini clip together so you guys can see it and probably post it on my Instagram or something like that, but I don't think that I will post it on YouTube because the quality of the audio is so bad that it's not worth it. Very budget friendly DIY tinting your eyebrows at home. Before we get into this video, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and do not forget to turn on your post notifications. So hit that bell. I'm gonna insert a picture here because I don't have the box because I've had this product for quite some time, so that means I threw the box away. But it is the Just for Men bed dye. So I don't have any Vaseline, but what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and conceal the bottom part of my eyebrows, and once that is done, I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna get into the next step. Conceal my eyebrows with the beautiful bronze LA Gold Pro Concealer. Basically, that way it prevents me, or it guides me, because it wouldn't really prevent, but it guides me when I'm applying the dye on my eyebrows on my face. Your face ain't nothing to play with, so you don't want to mess it up, right? So next we're gonna go ahead and mix the color base and the developer together, and it's really just small amounts. It's nothing like you only doing your little eyebrows. People like me, I ain't got much, so don't need much. So that amount of base developer, that's the developer. Now we're gonna put in equal parts of the base. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and use the tip of this to mix it. So this is what it's looking like right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it with the angle brush.
Jordan, why can't par with me? Evil forces are war with me, but none of them can slide to me when I reach the top. Everybody want a piece of this, yeah. God bless me with a heap of gifts. Right now, them not call me sis, but if you stuck with them, is a heap of this. No much nice, I cry for this. A lot of man cheat, steal and life for this. Everybody got them own them life to live. Wake up, fight for it. I owe my right to this.
Basically finished with the first eyebrow, and I haven't used any of it from in the container, so you can see, like I said, a little goes a long way.
Feel like I ride it, feel like I soon up top. Dexter tell me I gone clear, so when I gone clear, know that this girl won't flop. You can't par with me. Evil forces are war with me, but none of them can't talk to me when I reach the top. You can't par with me. Evil forces are war with me, but none of them.
So now we're just gonna go go ahead and let that sit for a few minutes. I've had this on my eyebrows for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put a second coat of dye on it because I have so much left. What I'm gonna do this time is that I'm not gonna put any at all to the front. I'm gonna put it more so to the ends, so the ends would be, I guess I'm gonna try this ombre effect. I've never done it before. I doubt it's gonna come out as it should, but I'm still gonna try and use some more of the product so that way I'm not wasting too much of it, and hopefully I don't mess up my eyebrows in the process.
Can't stop to me when I reach the top. I can't deal with the snakes in the mix, yeah, yeah. Lots of man would have done call quits. They don't like how I making these hits, how I look in my fits, how I move when I'm bit. So much nights I spend alone, days gone by nobody to call my phone. I know we got our own lives, all how we grown. I dig in my zone, deal with it on my own. And I feel like I ride it, like I ride that, feel like I zoom up top. Jordan tell me I gone clear, so when I gone clear.
I've had it on for over 15 minutes. Some people leave it for 30 minutes. No. I just be too scared, so I rather not.
This is also the first time I've used so much of the product. I usually just use like a little bit. That's the second wipe. I might need more napkin. I also remember I put concealer under my eyebrow, so all of that is coming off in this.
I'm gonna leave this second one on a little bit longer because remember I applied this one first, so I'm just gonna give this one a little bit more time to marinate, you know, so we could be jabbing.
Now this girl won't flop. You can't par with me. Evil forces are war with me, but none of them can't talk to me when I reach the top. You can't par with me. Evil forces are war with me, but none of them can't talk to me when I reach the top. You can't par with me.
Okay, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed or you guys are really excited to try this DIY, go ahead and hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, comment and let me know when you have tried it and let me know your results. If you would like more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe
When a man can't walk with me, when I reach up there, you can't par with me. When I reach the top, when a man can't talk